Hey everyone, it's Jazz. Welcome back to my channel. I hope that you guys are doing well. And yeah, I really don't have anything to say today besides a happy payday for me. If you are on my same pay schedule, I think that that is super cool. If you guys could let me know down in the comments below if you're on the same pay schedule as me. I got paid on the 11th, which was Friday. You guys are seeing this on Sunday because that is the day that I upload. But I am so excited for this week. I love cash stuffing videos. So without further ado, let's go ahead and get right into it. Okay guys, so let's go ahead and get into the paycheck breakdown. This is a new sheet that I got from Yours Truly Printables. I love this sheet. It looks so clean and so nice in my notebook. I love it so much. So let's go ahead and get into it. I have my paycheck. I don't share my paycheck amount. I also am 25 years old. I am single. I work full-time. I work in the medical field, and right now I am trying to save up for a car and save as much money as I can. So that's pretty much the gist of what I do. And yeah, so let's go ahead into my fixed expenses, which are my bills. So I have Hulu, Epidemic, Afterpay, Embrace pet insurance for my dog, Dropbox, and Spotify this paycheck. So I have to cover all these bills before my next paycheck, which is on the 25th of September. So that totals $143, which I have to have in the bank. It's already the 12th, so I've already paid most of these bills. So that's amazing. Moving on to variable expenses, which are my cash envelopes that I carry with me week to week. For groceries, I am stuffing $60 because I've already gone grocery shopping, so I spent $60. So we're going to stuff $60 for next week paycheck. So now next I have gas, which is going to get $15. Toiletry is not getting anything again this week. I'm pretty set on everything that I have. Food out is getting $20. Roger is getting his usual $15, and fun/spending is going to get $20, and all of that equals $130. Moving on to the sinking funds that I'm stuffing this week. I am stuffing some new ones, which I'm really excited about. I'm trying to alternate my stuffing of sinking funds. I am focusing mostly on car savings, Christmas, down payment, as well as like my emergency fund. Everything else I kind of just alternate. So car is getting $100, savings is getting its usual $150, Christmas is getting $60, birthday is getting $20, down payment's getting $20, medical is getting $10. Mani pedi was supposed to get $70, but I'm actually not going to stuff that, so we're going to get rid of that eventually. Hair is going to get $20, emergency is getting $10, Amazon is getting $1, taxes is getting $1, camera is getting $1, and cushion is getting $10, for a total of $473 going into my sinking funds. And then I have challenge down here, which I think is so awesome. So my savings challenge is going to get $3, and then my 100 envelope challenge is going to get $4, because the $4 envelope is the one that I chose this week. So let's go ahead and get started. I also have this page on the next page of my workbook that has all of my envelopes that I'm stuffing, as well as the cash breakdown. I did get this little card from Kaylee Budgets, and I just use this to take to the bank, and I love it so much. All of the bank tellers think it's so cute every time I hand it to them. So for the total for this paycheck, we are going to be stuffing $540. I've already gone to the bank, so let's go ahead and stuff some envelopes, shall we? So I'm going to move this over here and lay out the money. Alrighty, so now that the money is all sorted, we're going to go ahead and get to stuffing. So first I'm going to stuff my groceries envelope. These envelopes are from the Planning Dancer. I will have her Etsy shop linked down below. So groceries is going to get 2 20s, a 10, and then 2 5s, for a total of 60. So 20, 40, 50, 55, 60. So that's great. I'm going to put that right in here and place that over there. These are all out of order. Gas is going to get its usual 15, which is a 10 and a 5. Perfect. Food out is going to get 20, which is going to be 2 10s. And stuff that in here as well. I love these little envelopes so much. They just make everything so much easier, let me tell you. Food out. Roger is going to get his usual 15, so it's going to be a 10 and a 5, but I'm going to take this 5 and put it over here because I use that to stuff his sinking fund. So Roger is just going to get $10 that I carry around with me if he needs anything like treats, food, stuff like that. That's what that is for. Fun / spending is going to get $20, which is just going to get a $20 bill. And all right, that is everything that I put in my wallet. Like I said, toiletries is not getting anything this paycheck. So I just go ahead and take these and open up my wallet and just put them in like so. And that is what they look like in my wallet. Super cute, super fun. I love them so much. So that's that. Put my wallet over here to the side. And let's get started with our sinking funds, which is so much fun. I love stuffing these so much. Alrighty, so let's get started with this one. I can move this calculator somewhere else. So, alrighty, so vet is actually not getting funded because my dog had his vet appointment yesterday. Today is Saturday when I'm filming this, but he had it yesterday, so that is completely empty. I'm going to start doing that again, stuffing this again, probably next year because well, actually, I do want to have like a base of like $200. God forbid something happens, but we'll get to that. Groomers is not getting stuffed, but Car is, and Car is getting a $100 bill. So let's go ahead and stuff that. I'm just going to go ahead and put that in here. I'm not going to count it right now. I'll count it next paycheck, but I'll adjust all of my little trackers as well. Gifts is not getting anything this paycheck. House is not getting anything this paycheck. Hair is getting something this paycheck, and it is getting $20, which is super exciting. So hair is going to get 20, and I'm just going to stick that in. Car insurance is not getting anything. Car maintenance is not getting anything. Debt snowball is not getting anything. Savings is getting $150, and that's $150, and that is going to go right in here. I know I have 100, 2, 3, 350, $450 in savings, which is awesome sauce. So we're going to put that in there. Savings challenge is going to get $3, and I will fill that in with you guys as well. So $3 is going into savings challenge. Just gonna put that in here, and I will also link where I got these envelopes down below. Christmas is getting 60, which is 3 20s. Christmas is bulking up, man. Christmas is coming so soon. I cannot believe it, but I'm so excited to have this fund ready to go. And then lastly, Roger always gets his $5 from his other envelope, so we're gonna stick that in there, and he has $10 already. So we're going to go ahead and close these up, this one up, and switch over to my other binder for my sinking funds. Alrighty, let's bend this back. Put my phone here. Okay, vacation's not getting anything. Birthday is... Oh, wait, down payment? I didn't... Okay, just kidding. Birthday is going to get 20. My birthday is coming up super soon. Today is actually my mom's birthday, so happy birthday, Mommy. I got her some flowers and I got her a gift, but she hasn't opened it yet, so yeah. Clothing is not getting anything. Electronics is not getting anything. Medical is getting 10. And I believe now I have enough for a copay. Yeah, because my copay is $20, so I have extra $10, which we love. Down payment is going to get to $20 as well. So we're going to put $20 in. Some of you guys have asked why I'm bulking up down payment, because I'm 25 and I would like to buy a home within the next 2 years. So that is my goal. Social outings is not getting anything. Miscellaneous is not getting anything. Mani-pedi is not getting anything. Cushion is getting $10, which is going to be a $10 bill. And this is for like my cushion. I want to have like an $1,000 cushion in my bank account just to be safe. So that is what that is. Lashes is not getting anything. Taxes is getting its first dollar. How excited. How exciting. And this is just when tax season comes around. I'm definitely going to have to pay my tax person. So just to start bulking up that fund. Amazon is getting $1. My Amazon Prime will be due soon, so I want to go ahead and do that. Camera is getting $1. Beauty isn't getting anything. Online spending is not getting anything. Rollover, I didn't have any. Actually, I did have rollover, but I just put it back in the bank. So, yeah. Emergency is getting $10. And we're going to put that in here. And then these last, I think there's $5 because I added $1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So I'm going to add 4 to my envelope for my 52 envelope challenge. And just stick that in here. Close it up. And then I just go ahead and put it in the back of the challenge. I just keep this box just to keep everything nice and safe. And then I close it back up. And we're ready for next week. So that is that. I have this extra $1. I'll just put that in my wallet somewhere, or put it in my rollover envelope. Actually, that's what I'm going to do right now. Emergency fund rollover, and just stick that right in there. And that is that. Let me go ahead. I don't think I have a, oh no I do. And update my savings challenge. I printed this out from Pinterest. It was free. I just printed it out. So for my, what did I do for my savings challenge? I forgot. $3. So that is right here. So guys, we're really doing it. So I think I'm going to start to go row by row now, or like column by column. We'll see what works for me. But I am loving this so much, and this is also my Christmas challenge. So we are on track right now, which is amazing. This one was for 2019, so I actually think I'm like right on track. But yeah, guys, I hope that you enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you're not already. And yeah, I hope that you guys enjoyed, and I will talk to you in my next one very soon. Bye.